Hello, my name's Helen Butcher and today I'm here to talk to you about a design of mine called Rattle. And this came about because we've been working with Michael Oakeshott of Oakeshott Fabrics, and we do love working with his fabrics. So Michael asked us to put together a colour pick for him, which we've called Fruit Salad, and I'm now going to separate these out into their 3 blocks. So I'm going to start with the top one there, followed by the middle one, and then the bottom one. And I'm going to continue doing that until I have 3 completely different blocks. And you might find that you want to add in a few plain blocks just to extend your quilt, and you can make a very nice design out of them. Or you could put together a smaller version and make table mats. Thank you very much.